Hi guys, so as you can see we're out the front of the house. We haven't really done much out here since starting this renovation other than clear all the weeds away. As you can see, we've already diverted the water temporary. On the project we've got a porch, so the porch is coming from this window reveal out about 700mm, returning to this door width, and then we're having a nib across here, a little small flat roof which will all be cladded. Natasha will insert a little picture of what it should look like. So the next step is to dig out the foundations. We do have the water mains running across here, the gas pipe running straight out here, and we also got the electric that drops down into the ground and runs out there. So we've got to be careful. So we're going to be slow and steady. The gas is going to be moved at some point, so I do need to put a ducting round if we do concrete over it, just to allow it to move in and out. The water, not so much, don't have to worry about that. We just cut it off and refeed it where Natasha's standing. But yeah, so that's the plan. We're going to start digging out and hopefully get some foundations in this weekend for the porch. Right guys, so we're going to call it a night tonight at 7 o'clock. Got down so far on the trench, I've got another 200mm to go. We've got to come straight across here, and it's returning right next to this electrical box by here. Luckily we're not going to hit the electric power, so this can stay, no big deal.
It's another day, we're back at it, digging out the porch. So I'm going to put you on the GoPro, and then maybe Reese can explain in a bit anything he needs to explain.
So guys, that is the trench dug out. As you can see there, the gas pipe is through the trench, but the concrete will be below. We managed to miss the water pipe, which is even deeper down there somewhere. And yeah, down 600 from DPC, we can have 300mm concrete, and then we're going to have 4 courses of 75mm brick, which is another 300mm. And yeah, that'll be our foundations for the porch. Right guys, so what I've done is I've transferred my datum level of 1 meter from inside the house all the way outside by here, and that gives me my datum level of where the DPC is going to go, and then I can work my way down, which I want to be 600mm below, which I am almost. I got about 50mm over there and 50mm over there. So I'm going to clean out the trench now, just make sure we've got that 300mm thick concrete. It's 350mm wide roughly, and that's going to be for a single skin single skin porch. So once I've cleared this out quickly, we're going to get the mixer. We've got 2 tons of chippings there and sand. I've got some cement, so we're going to mix up some concrete and get this foundation poured. So guys, that is the concrete done. It may have looked easy on the time lapse, but that was a bit of graft. We used just over half a ton of chippings and about 4 bags of cement. That is spot on level, a bit wet, but once that dries off, give me a minute or 2 extra. And we'll be ready for laying some blocks in a couple of days on it. You may have noticed we got a bit of shuttering around there. I didn't realise how low the pipe was to the trench. I thought we were going to have a lot more given it, but unfortunately we didn't. So yeah, got to shutter around it and keep it clear from the concrete. We're going to dig out this oversight now to the concrete level. We've spoken to our energy supplier about the gas and electric, and we have to go to the national suppliers, so I think that's Wales and West and the national grid. So I'm just waiting on them to get back to us. But yeah, dig up this surface now and they'll be ready for the brickwork. So I'm just quickly going to dry lay the bricks out, just so we know what sort of bond we got and what measurements we're going to do. Right, so we've worked it out, guys. To do this you need a 14mm perp instead of a 10mm perp. Unfortunately, if I did do a 10mm perp, I'd have like 14mm down the end extra, and you couldn't get a cut in. So that's what we're doing. We're going to work that out on the next course as well, the same sort of thing, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so got our first mix on. We're going to try and get the last two courses of brick into this. So it's nice and cool this evening, not too warm, it's been hot all day. But yeah, get this in and it should look good. Morning guys, so as you can see we finished the brickwork last night for the porch, and now we're going to lay the concrete against level, and I'll be ready to do the threshold strip for the front door. It's now the next day. Concrete has set, so I can start working out where I need to put all the bricks, and bonder into the existing to create our threshold for the front door. So we're going to clean some bricks off now and make a start. Right guys, so brickwork's done, just need to point you up, so I'm going to let that stiffen up first. Now we're going to move on to the framework. I've just quickly measured up to the underside of the tiles. That's given us our determined measurement of what we need to work to. So I'm going to do some calculations now, in the right height for the framework, and start cutting all the framework out.
Catch up with us in next week's video where we start the framework. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.